In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo gallery in Notion. If you want a clean visual way to showcase images inside Notion, a gallery view is a simple and flexible option. By the end, you'll know how to create the gallery itself and 2 reliable ways to add images so they appear right in your view. Start on any page in Notion. On a new line, type the /command/gallery. Then choose Gallery View from the menu that appears. This instantly drops a gallery block onto your page. Think of a gallery view as a database with a visual layout. Each card represents a page inside that database. And those cards can display images right on the front, making your collection easy to scan. Next, decide where your gallery's data will live. You can create a brand new database by clicking New Database, which keeps everything self-contained on this page. Or, if your images belong to a database you already use elsewhere, click to link an existing database. Linking lets you reuse your current data without duplicating it, so the same items can appear in multiple places around your workspace. Now, let's add images. Starting with a method that keeps the visuals inside each gallery page. Open any card to view its page, place your cursor where you want the picture to appear and use the /images command. You can upload from your computer or paste an image link. This is great when you want to pair images with text, checklists, or other content on the page. As you add pictures inside the page, they can be displayed in your gallery view, giving you a visual thumbnail for quick browsing. Here is also a direct database approach. Create a Files and Media property in your gallery. This property lives alongside your other fields, like tags or dates, and is designed specifically for storing images and files. Open any card, locate the Files and Media property, and upload your image right there. This keeps the file attached at the database level, which is helpful if you prefer a tidy, structured setup where images are stored consistently across every item. Both approaches work well. Adding images inside the page gives you room to tell a story around the photo, while the Files and Media property keeps everything organized in one place. You can mix and match, and as you add images using either method, your gallery view will reflect those visuals so your collection is easy to navigate. That's all you need to create a clean, functional photo gallery in Notion. Give it a try. Choose the method that fits your workflow and enjoy a more visual workspace. Thanks for watching.